Are you planning to build a mobile app to take your business to the next level? Wait a second. Before you burn cash on a mistake-filled disaster, let me expose the top 5 deadly mistakes businesses make when planning their mobile app and how to avoid them like a pro. Hello, this is Anurna Banerjee and you are watching You and Impact. Mistake 1. Focusing on features, not the problem. Here's the trap. Businesses cram their app with features. Sounds smart, right? Wrong. A CB Insights study reveals that 42% of startups fail because they misread market needs. Your app isn't meant to do everything. It's designed to solve a specific problem for your audience. Before chasing cool features, think about one burning problem your app solves. Build your MVP or minimum viable product first and focus on what matters most. And yes, we can help you nail that MVP. Mistake 2. Ignoring platform compatibility. Android or iOS? How about both? Android holds 71% of the global market share, while iOS dominates in regions like US and Europe. If you are not considering both platforms, or at least the one of your audience uses most, you are leaving money on the table. Use cross-platform development frameworks like Flutter or React Native to reach a wider audience faster. If you are not sure where to start, that's where we come in. Subscribe now and give us a call. Let's strategize together. Mistake 3. Underestimating UX UI design. Here's a harsh truth. People judge your app in less than 50 milliseconds. A clunky interface, they will delete it faster than a bad tweet. Your app's design isn't just aesthetics, it's psychology. Think Spotify. Easy navigation and a sleek design. Your app's interface should guide users effortlessly. Confused? We can help you craft an intuitive UX UI that keeps users hooked. Mistake 4. Skipping scalability planning. Picture this. Your app takes off. Great, right? Until it crashes under the weight of its own success. Netflix and Instagram didn't become giants overnight. They invested in a scalable architecture. Your app must handle growth from day one, whether it's user load, database expansion, or cloud services. Want to future-proof your app? Hit the subscribe button and drop a message in WhatsApp. We will show you how. Mistake 5. Forgetting monetization early. Ask yourself this. How will your app make money? Ads? Subscriptions? In-app purchases? Too many businesses think of monetization last. Big mistake. The average cost to acquire a mobile app user is 2.5 to 6 USD. If you are not making money back efficiently, your app is just a money pit. Nail your revenue model upfront or regret it later. Need advice? Drop a comment. We will help you brainstorm. Now you know the 5 mistakes to dodge. But knowing isn't enough. If you are ready to build a mobile app that stands out and scales up, we are here to be your tech partner. Thanks for watching. I hope this episode has been helpful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now you have 2 more videos to boost your knowledge. I will be there in the next video.